If you think you need 50 million naira before you can start up real estate in Nigeria, then you've already lost money, big money. Now, let me warn you up front. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to buy land this year. Neither do you need anybody or somebody in the government before you can start up a real estate in Nigeria. But if you don't watch this video to the end, you will still be believing the nonsense like real estate is not for people like us, then it's for people like who. So today I'm going to be showing you how people are doing real estate with 0 naira, how people are doing real estate or starting real estate with less than an iPhone, and how small money with correct strategy will just bet you big real estate moves. This is Nigerian real estate. It is not America. It's not Instagram fantasy. No, this is Nigerian real estate. Now, if you've ever, said to yourself, I want to enter into real estate, but I don't have the money for it. Sit down, relax. This video might actually change, right, your perception or how you see money in real estate. Now, let's start with the biggest lie. The lie is if you don't have money, forget real estate. Meanwhile, some of the richest people in Nigeria today did not start as land buyers. No, some of them started as middlemen. Some of them started with their phone, data, and boldness. Real estate is not just about buying land, building houses. No. Real estate is also about selling, connecting buyers and sellers, managing properties, and having good information. If you can remove buying of land from your head first, then real estate becomes easy. Let me say this clearly. You can start real estate with 0 naira. I mean, 0 naira in Nigeria. How? You don't need an office. You don't need to buy land. You don't need to buy property, right? All you just need is your phone, WhatsApp, Instagram, your mouth. You can partner with real estate developers, landowners, property companies. All you just need to do is to market the property and earn 5 to 15% commission. That's simple. Let's calculate small maths, right? You sold a land of 3 million, right? Your, let's say 10% commission of it is 300,000 naira. Some people here earn 300,000 in 6 months. No offense, it's just maths. Being an agent is not a small job. Let me remind you that it is training ground, it is market exposure, it is capital generator. As an agent, you should learn pricing, negotiation, title document, and land location. So instead of gambling your small money on one land, you are earning and you are learning, right? Smart people don't enter real estate through the window. They enter through the door. Now, let's talk about buying land with small money lifestyle. If your budget is 300,000, 500,000, or 1 million, just know that you're not going to buy land in Banana Island, so just rest first. Your target should be developing areas, outskirts, places that development is coming, not where development has already arrived. Let me give you a strategic example. Now, let's say you bought land for, or rather, buy land for, let's say, 500,000. Hold it for 2 to 4 years. Sell when road appear, when estates start coming, when government start breathing there, right? You see, this is how patient you get makes money in Nigerian real estate. If you don't have patience, it's not gonna work. Most beginners lose money because they rush into it. They want to make that fast profit immediately, and they don't verify land, right? Real estate punishes impatience. Yes, if you're not patient, you will see the result. So if your money is small, please think long term. Verify the document before buying that land. And please buy a quiet land, not a noisy land. Let me bust your brain again. Do you know that you don't really need to buy land alone? You can partner with friends, put money, buy together, then split the profit. But listen carefully. No agreement is future enemies. Please, everything must be documented because real estate friendship is sweet until profits start entering. and you see everybody's true color. Now, this one is for sharp people. You rent a house long term, right? You furnish it small. You sublet it to short let. You don't own the house, you didn't buy the land, but you make monthly income, cash flow, and business money. Just make sure that the landlord agrees. We're not doing hide and seek, right? Now, before you buy land, before you buy anything, please understand CFO, understand governance consent, understand accession cases. Please make sure you do understand all of them, survey plan, deed of assignment. Just understand all of them, because wrong knowledge in real estate in this Nigeria is more expensive than land. Trust me. Ask questions, verify, use professionals. Don't do it on your own. Now, let me end this like this. Real estate in Nigeria is not for the richest, it's not for the loudest, it's not for the fastest. It is for the informed, it is for the consistent. Now, if what you have right now is just your phone, data, and interest, you already have enough. Now, if you found this video helpful, please, I am begging you, please help to hit that subscribe button, like, and share. Bye for now.